What's going on, everybody? I'm Shy and this is the Dollar Tree, and in this video I want to talk about my investment strategy for cryptocurrency. All right. Let's get started. First, I want to talk about the first tier. Now, to get started, I want to say that this is my personal strategy. This is not financial advice, and I do not recommend that you follow my strategy. My time allocated toward investing in cryptocurrency and watching the market is my time. It's what I have available. So work with what you have available to create a strategy that fits your schedule. All right. Things first, cryptocurrency. Just a quick recap. Cryptocurrency can be a multitude of things. It's not what it used to be. All right. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna mention this in the video or whatever, so I don't take too much time up for this. Cryptocurrency could be a token, a stable coin, or it could be like a Bitcoin, store of value or means of money transfer. All right. Going forward, you're going to have to be specific about what you want to invest in, particularly in the cryptocurrency market. Because cryptocurrency, like I said, you want to invest in tokens, you're going to invest in stable coins, you're not going to make any money. Stable coins are actually backed by fiat or commodity, gold, oil, whatever. And then you have the means of money transfer, which is more likely to make you money because it's being traded on a day-to-day. Something as popular as Bitcoin. All right. Now, my investment strategy is tiered, 3 tiers. All right. So the first tier is long-term storage and holdings. So, of course, as I've stated in previous videos, cryptocurrency has 4-year cycles. We are in the midst of the start of another 29 months bull cycle, and it has yet to go parabolic. We probably got another 18 months or so to go before that actually comes into play, if it's still on the table and the market remains cyclical and is volatile as its history shows it's been over the course of its overall, including Bitcoin and every other cryptocurrency in totality, 10-year history, 10, 11-year history. So long-term storage is my first strategy. I first jump in and I invest into the market for long-term. Long-term, all right, we're talking 6 to 10 years. Why 6 to 10 years? Because Bitcoin is still in its infancy, in my opinion. Nah, it's going toward its teenage years now. It's been around 10, 11 years. So long-term, I'd say anywhere between 6 to 8 years. Judging on what the market is doing and the regulations that are coming into play, which are going to be hammered down, and I'll be making a video about altcoins. If you hold any, you might want to get out of them pretty quick, because at the end of this month, the hammer is coming down on new regulation as far as taxes and you know, not being able to buy. Anyway, it has nothing to do with the video. So that's the first tier, long-term storage. Why long-term storage? Because cycles. So 8 years from now will be the decline. It will be the bear market, and then it will be another bull market, and you can reap those gains. And the reality of it is, Bitcoin, the last thing I saw, I'm gonna try and find it and put it on screen, but since the inception of Bitcoin, it is up 144,000%. Since the inception, since the beginning of Bitcoin, $0 to its current price as of the making of this video, just over 9,000, 9,007, 144,000%. All right, unheard of in 10 years. So a lot of people are calling for $1 million Bitcoin. Hey, no problem, I have it. So that's part of my reason for holding long term, having coins, not just Bitcoin, but a certain amount of coins, certain types of coins allocated for my long-term holdings, so that I can reap the benefit of Bitcoin reaching 100,000, 200, 250,000. So yes, I am invested in Bitcoin, and I'm still investing in Bitcoin for that in the long term. Now, my second tier is peak market. So my second tier is simply, I put money in these particular coins. I move the money around in these coins so I can grow the actual dollar amount that I have in the market, so that I can sell for maximum value at the peak of the market. Now, that doesn't always work like that. See, certain exchanges or certain applications, Coinbase or whoever you use, they're only going to allow you to extract a certain amount of money daily. Let's just say the market does spike. And suddenly you wake up in the morning, you roll over, you look at your phone, and you got $2 million on Coinbase. You can't take that $2 million out in one shot, big bro. You can't, okay? So you need a strategy of divestment, all right? When it comes to trying to pull out and make profit in the market, take advantage of the growing market. And it's a particular strategy that's needed to do this. It makes the most sense to have a tiered strategy, in my opinion, when investing in cryptocurrency, simply because you could take advantage of all aspects of the market. All right. Now, that is my second. Now, my third tier is trading, whether that's day trading or whether that's just making a few trades a month due to the swings of the market. Now, as we know, these coins can suddenly shoot up for 4 days straight and go up 10, 15, 20, 30, even 40%, and then retrace 10, 15, 20, even 40%. All right. Knowing these things, that is something that I plan on continually looking into and exploiting going forward as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. We hear a lot of talk in mainstream media trying to deter people from investing in cryptocurrency because of its volatility. Well, like I said, volatility is a good thing as long as you're watching the market and you're playing it safe. Now, I do not think that you should take my advice or follow my strategy, because this is not financial advice. This is me discussing my strategy and my reason for it. Now, on to the reason for my third tier of trading. Instant money. Added income for the year. So if you're just making 2, 3, 4, 5 trades for the month, depending on how much money you have in the market, you put 5, 10 grand in, you can make an extra $2,000 depending on what the market is doing and at what point in time you're jumping into the market. Right now, in my opinion, would be a good time, because at the end of the day, I believe, and a lot of people will probably concur with this belief, that we're now entering the new bull cycle, a 25 to 29 month bull cycle. We're currently 6 months in, so we've got about 19 months left. To my guess, the chance that it might not go parabolic. It's a chance that it might just go up. And the amount of gains that people are accruing, over time in cryptocurrency aren't as substantial as they were back then. You're not going to get the 15x, but you'll get a 10x at this time. So a lot of people are calling for $100,000 Bitcoin. I don't see it. Maybe 50, 40 at best, in my opinion. But what do I know? That's just my opinion from, what I'm looking at as far as the market is concerned. So with that being said, let's recap. A 3-tiered investment strategy for cryptocurrency, all right, to maximize the market. We've got long-term holdings. So I'm allocating for my long-term holdings, which go into cold storage. We've got peak market sales. I'm allocating money to the market. Moving money around to maximize the dollar amount, the growth in the dollar amount, so that when the market peaks or toward the peak of the market, I will have already had my exit strategy mapped out, and I will be away from the market as far as the money that I allocate toward that. And then the third is, of course, for income, for my yearly income. That is pocket money, that is living money, and that is trading. I do not do daily trades. I'm just going to be upfront with you. I prefer to do, when the market do those huge drops, I buy in then. When the market do those instantaneous peaks, I choose my price points to get out, and I do that based on basic technical analysis, all right? Basic technical analysis and understanding and taking notes on market patterns. The market patterns are generally different depending on which cycle you're in, bull or bearish, and which part of the cycle you're in, beginning, middle, and et cetera, whether you break that down in 3 parts, 4 parts, or 5 parts. All right. So there you go. Again, last but not least, 3 tiers: cryptocurrency investment strategy, long-term holdings, X amount of dollars, exit strategy toward the peak market, X amount of dollars, trading, X amount of dollars. All right. There you have it. That's my investment strategy for cryptocurrency. I'm Shy. This is the Dollar Tree. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when I upload the video. about what's going on in the cryptocurrency space, man. And it's a big deal, especially if you want those altcoins. If you're heavily invested in altcoins, you're gonna want to see that next video, and it may be too late. I might be putting it out after the hammers already came down. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications. I'm Shy. This is Dollar Tree. I'll see y'all in the next video, man.